Hello friend, welcome to Industrial Expo 2025 and we are doing here registration and also we are managing the lead for all the exhibitors. So let me tell you why and how the requirement came so we have seen that registration process will be very lengthy. So we have come up with the technology wherein the registration will be done in less than a minute. So what we are doing is here people are coming, they are just scanning the QR code. Sometimes they do the pre-registration, so they fill the forms on mobile phone. It's a DIY type of facility, and they will get the QR code in their own WhatsApp. So they can bring the same QR code, or they can do the registration here, and they get the QR code. It is a virtual QR code, virtual registration pass. If they need a physical passes as well, they can show the same passes here, and the mobile phone, the scanner is there, and immediately the printout will come from the printer, and they can get the physical passes. Okay, let me show you the process here, how seamless it is though. Let come with me, please. Once the registration is done, they will get this kind of QR code. This is a virtual pass. It contains all the information about this venue and this virtual expo and everything. And this guy will just scan this thing, and the moment scan, the printout will come from here. And the journey is not over here. They take the same physical pass inside the booth, and the exhibitor will scan the same thing. They get the same information, and through that they can manage their lead as well. So there is a complete suite of software wherein the exhibitor also get a chance to manage their leads and get the data, and they can follow up, and they can manage the lead in such a way which is the hot lead and which is the need to require the follow up. So this is all about, and we also have a setup. One more thing is a virtual expo here. All the stalls that we have, their virtual store has been present, and that will be live beyond the life of this current exhibition. So this is all about the from the DD zone, and please enjoy this event. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you very much.